Constructing explanations is, in a sense, a lot like the old, can you write a conclusion for a laboratory that you did? But NGSS takes it to a much deeper level, and it's about asking students to take information and analyze it and synthesize it in such a way that they can come up with an explanation. And that doesn't necessarily mean, the conclusion in a lab. It can be the explanation about any kind of phenomena that they see. One of the things that we're trying to really build on is this constructing explanations and using solid evidence to construct these explanations, and teaching students the difference between an explanation and an opinion, for example, and really taking them through the process of taking something that they think they understand in their head and really articulating that in some way. So the explanation could be a written explanation, it could be a visual explanation, they can make a model of something. So there's lots of ways that you can construct an explanation, but it's about an organized group of ideas that make sense to the observer, that the observer can read it or see it or experience it and gain an understanding of what the creator had in their mind when they created it. If you're designing a solution, the first thing is you always want to go back and tie it to what the problem is that you define. So you want to make sure that the solution matches the problem, as opposed to just an improvement. A lot of engineering is about improving something. Well, you don't just want to say, I just want to improve this. Well, what specifically do you want to improve? So if we want to improve the battery power of a cell phone, that's something specific. So then our solution would have to include something like the chemicals that are used in the battery and the life of the chemicals, or how long the chemicals will react in order to give us a longer lifetime. So you've really got to go back and match up your solution with your problem and really make those ties to see if there's that connection that you're looking for.